Hi, it's Astral. Welcome to the stock market. So, today it's buy the dip day. It's a buy the dip day, and we're gonna ride it up. So, I'm looking for setups using technical analysis to see something that's gonna go out a couple months so we can get leaps on it because I do not have a day trade today. I do not have one till maybe tomorrow or Thursday because I'm only allowed to trade 3 times a week, right? Until my account becomes 25,000. So it looks like I have $192 profit on the day, but that's from LEAPS, so I'm not even counting that because I don't have a trade today. I can't trade, right? So the daily chart, or actually the yearly chart, looks good on Best Buy. So I want to buy Best Buy. I'll explain and show it to you guys later. I want to buy Best Buy. So I'm getting June contracts, June of next year contracts. 140 strike. So when you see the $1.39 there, $1.39, that's 139 because it's options, right? So I'm gonna get 10 of them. Alright, let me explain the analysis behind this. This is Best Buy, BBY, ticker symbol BBY. Now as you can see, it's forming a cup and handle. You can see from the top 140s coming down. It might end up hitting 90, maybe not, and it's gonna go right back up. See that pattern? Perfect setup. Same thing on Facebook, and this is how much I would make if we push it out to February, right? So if it went up to 140, we would make 11 grand by February. I am investing in Facebook or Microsoft. Facebook being the first because we already have Facebooks, right? We have Facebook 190, no, Facebook 420s next year, right? January's. I'm gonna get September, so I'm getting September because I want September of next year. The metaverse is gonna pop off. It's already popping, like it's already a lot of money going into it. So Facebook, Microsoft, anything like that is gonna be huge plays, right? So I am taking an early stance. I got in. You know, it's almost a year out the contract. I have 2 contracts so far on this small account. On my big account, I have way more contracts, but on this account, I only can buy 2, right? Because that's all money I got. So we got 2. We got in at 12.25, and as you can see, this cup and a handle is gonna come right back up to 380s, and it's gonna go all the way up maybe to 430s, 440s. I won't hold my breath that long, but maybe between 4 to 420 I'll get out. So right now the price, I got in at 12.25 and it's already at 1305 on the ask. So I bought my leaps. I'm good for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.